Hi, it's Steve Bustin here, and I just wanted to talk a little bit about emceeing or comparing. Now, it's something that's a big part of my business. I do it regularly for conferences and events, networking events, auctions, charity balls, all sorts of things. And it's also something I'm now coaching other people on doing because more and more people are being asked to compare or host their internal conferences or events within their organization. But then the question always comes up, well, what is comparing or emceeing? And I will say these words are pretty much interchangeable. Compare, MC, host, presenter, even facilitator is a word I hear being used in this context. It's basically the person who ties the event together. You will open the event, you will introduce other speakers or other events, you will then have information for the audience about housekeeping, you will send them off to breaks, you'll welcome them back, you'll also then wrap up the day at the end. You might even have to do things like present awards, run an auction, a raffle, all those sorts of things. But the MC is the person at the centre who fronts up, if you like, the event. And to an extent, you set the tone in many ways. So MCing is a really important job. And I'm always slightly worried when I hear people saying, oh, we're just going to get our managing director to do it, or we're going to ask somebody internal to do it. If that person doesn't get any coaching or training, there's an opportunity for the whole event to fall flat on its face, quite honestly, because you do need to have the confidence, the chutzpah. You've also got to be able to cope with whatever gets thrown at you. Part of the job as an MC is just to cope, particularly when the wheels come off. When things go wrong, who's going to keep it together? Who's going to make sure it stays on track? Who is not going to get flustered? So if you've been asked to MC or compare a conference or an event of any size or scale, get in touch. I'll give you some top tips. And if it's useful to you, we can set up some coaching so you can find out all the tips and tricks that I've learned in all the years and at all the events where I've compared. And I'll look forward to sharing them with you.